everyone, welcome back to another video. So are you looking for a lightweight and powerful email client? Clawmail and Thunderbird are two solid options, but which one is better? So let's compare both of these in this video. Starting with Thunderbird. So Thunderbird supports tons of add-ons, making it highly customizable. It is a beginner friendly with a modern UI and built-in calendar, task management, and add-ons. If you talk about Clawmail, Clawmail is lightweight and fast, but its minimalist interface can feel outdated for some users. It is faster, but fewer built-in features focusing on basic email management. However, it lacks features which may be deal breaker for some. So, Clawmail is lighter and consumes few resources, making it great for older PCs and Linux users. Meanwhile, Thunderbird is heavier and offers better encryption and security add-ons like PGP support. If we talk about pricing, both are completely free and open source, so there is no hidden fees, and the choice depends on whether you prefer speed or extra features. So in the end, I'll say if you want a fast, minimal email client, go for Clawmail. But if you prefer advanced features, encryption, and customization and everything, definitely go for Thunderbird because Thunderbird offers all of them. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.